Hi, welcome to Crafting and Co. My name is Domino. I made letter items. Today I'm going to show you DIY letter project that you can also try at home. If you're new here, remember to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. It will mean so much to us and it will remind you of our next craft project. So today I'm going to start with making a letter bookmark. For any book lovers, you will know that just using a simple scrap of paper or receipt wouldn't be enough. You will want something unique, some personal bookmark that you can use for your own book. And that's what we are going to make today. It would not only be a simple and fun process, it will also be giving yourself a chance to maybe making a bookmark for the book lovers in your life too. Without further ado, now let's get started. You will need a roll of letter or just a sheet of letter would do, and some letter lace or linen string or cotton string, and then rulers, knives, and a hole punch. Now for leather, we suggest use something stiff. 3 to 4 ounce leather would be perfect. And right now I'm using a 4 ounce Papero vegetarian leather. First thing first, we need to cut out a strip of leather. I usually go for about 1.8 inches times 6 inches long, but you can also adjust the dimensions based on your preference. Now let's give our bookmark a little bit of personality. You can round the corner of your letter bookmark, or you can cut it into any shape that you want. For example, this leaf shape. But then of course I didn't cut it myself. I used cookie machine to make this special shape. But you can also just opt for a very simple rectangular shape. Right now I'm gonna round the corner a little bit with a corn. Alright, now when you are satisfied with the shape that you create with your letter bookmark, we need to punch holes, and then we will need to thread the letter lace or any other form of strips or lace or thread that you want to use. For our black and chocolate pepper leather bookmark, I've chosen this 3mm leather lace. It really goes well with these two colors. For our leaf shade bookmark, I've chosen this rope to give it more natural texture. When we chose the lace or thread or twine, we need to make sure that the length is good enough so that you can find your bookmark easily and the bookmark lace will not get in the way when you are flipping through your pages. Now we've already threaded all those bookmarks. It's time for us to add some personality to our bookmark. And what I'm gonna do is to personalize it with some letter and some special patterns. With the first bookmark, I'm making it for Michael, I'm going to choose this M letter, emboss it with our heat creaser. Now let's get to it. For the next one, I'm going to make a special hollow skull for myself because I am a Virgo, so I'm going to emboss this hollow skull onto this letter bookmark. Now I'm going to emboss this letter bookmark with our logo. You could also find a similar bookmark with your personal choice for the specific hollow skull or letter that you want on our website. I'm going to include this link in our description box. Voila! You got your own personalized letter bookmark. I know I will enjoy using them a lot and not only serve a purpose but also make the reading journey more personal and unique. And if you like what you see here today, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already done it, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button. Thanks for watching and spending time today with me. Until next time, and keep those creative juice flowing. Bye for now.